Hi guys, it's your friend Ballistic B, and today is the 1-year anniversary of acquiring the insane Traxxas Maxx. And in this video, we're going to be detailing all of the facts why it is the undisputed king of the electric 1/10 scale RCs. This is the Traxxas Maxx, the blazing fast, jacked king of 1/10 scale RC bashers. It's a 4-wheel drive, waterproof, 4S LiPo-powered beast that, while weighing a whopping 10 pounds, nearly twice the weight of most 1/10 scale RC trucks, it can hit a GPS-verified blazing top speed of 55 miles an hour with bone stock components. That's right, 55 miles an hour without even a pinion adjustment. Now, this edition doesn't even have the Traxxas wide body kit, and yet it still has massively reinforced suspension components, including 1-inch thick shocks, traction control, and metal gears, all necessary when landing an insane jump like this. Oh, and unlike other RCs that claim to be waterproof, it actually is for everything except complete underwater submersion. It was like this, packed with ice and snow in it for 30 minutes with absolutely no damage to the electronics. It even has a self-righting feature which allows it to get off its lid all by itself. You press a button on the transmitter and it immediately begins rocking itself back and forth and adjusts even its front wheels in order to grab the ground, and then stops itself as it flips over, eliminating any input to the throttle to land in the exact same spot it started. The ESC features numerous safeguards against overheating and voltage issues, and features a display that allows you to see what's going on. And of course, with Traxxas, there's always tons of modification options, including the Traxxas lighting system with power amplifier, adding high beams, low beams, backup lights, and brake lights to your Traxxas Maxx. Click on the link in the top right corner of your screen to take a closer look and check out the full install. And if you want to control those lights and much, much more, install the Traxxas Link module and app to have control over a ton of things, including steering, throttle, brakes, traction control, lights, and give you dashboard info for battery speed and RPMs. Now, I know what some of you are saying. Yeah, but it's $500 and now $570 for the Wide Max Edition. True, but look at what all you're getting for that much money. It would be impossible to upgrade to any other 1/10 scale basher with features like self-righting or the massively ergonomic design of the entire body structure, including the boat-like undercarriage seen here, protecting against water, debris, and it's particularly useful with inch-sized gravel bashing like you see here. The one drawback I've found after a year of testing is that the body will warp more than most soft plastic shells. Part of the reason for this warping is this advanced skeletal framework underneath the shell, reinforcing it, that protects the electronics. This roll cage translates force through it into the softer shell and ultimately causes it to warp as you get front and rear impacts. It also causes the shell to bow, which creates a tendency to bypass the quick and easy locking system seen here and allow the shell to occasionally pop off. Now, this only happens once every 40-minute run or so and has never caused any real damage. Speaking of which, after a year of constant bashing, including 55-mile-an-hour 10 cartwheel wrecks, and more than 30 major crashes, some of which were from 10-foot heights, the only damage that the Traxxas Maxx has encountered is to the egos of everyone watching with their RCs. That's right, not even one single broken part or piece of damage. The Traxxas Maxx has truly taken the crown as the best 1/10 scale basher ever made. Disagree? Well, I look forward to hearing your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That's it for me. I'm out. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, but more importantly, click on that B icon on your screen and bash that button to subscribe right now. It helps us bring you more of the amazing videos, insights, and how-tos from the world of RCs and gaming. Be safe, be fun, and believe.